for the flowers in my garden.
Hello and welcome to this week's video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Shiro. For this week's video, we shall be making a lemon loaf, and I do hope you enjoy. We'll start off by grating the lemon to obtain the lemon zest, and make sure you don't grate the white part underneath. Next, I'll add half a cup of milk, and then to it I'll add 15 ml of lemon juice. I'll then stir this and set it aside, for I'll be using it later on. For the dry mixture, I'll put in 1 cup of all-purpose flour. To that, I'll add half a teaspoon of baking powder, and then the lemon zest, and then I'll mix it and set it aside. For the liquid mixture, we'll add in half a cup of sugar, to that half a cup of butter, and then we're going to add in 2 eggs, one at a time. Point to note, I made 1 3/4 kg of cake, and my 1 cup of flour was equivalent to 450 grams. Once I had mixed it thoroughly, I added half the flour mixture to the liquid mixture and then whisked, and then I added in half the mixture of the milk, whisked it, and then I repeated for the rest of the flour and milk.
Like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. 'Cause baby, in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights.
I then transferred this to a baking tray. I used a loaf one, but you can use any tin of your choice.
There's nothing like the way that you adore.
Before putting it in the oven, I flatten the surface, and this ensures that the cake comes out flat at the top once it's done.
It's where I wanna stay. It's easier to love.
The timer has just gone off and the cake is done. A serving suggestion would be having this with a nice hot cup of coffee or a hot cup of tea, or you can have it my way. I like it with vanilla ice cream. I hope you enjoyed this week's video, and if you did, click the like button down below. It will be much appreciated.